What's up guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to TechTime for today. Alright guys, so without wasting much time, let's jump into today's headlines. So the first headline for today is India to use 3D speed breakers. And then we have Asus Zenfone Max Pro specification. And at last, we have electric boosted board. So the first update is India to use 3D paintings as 3D speed breakers to slow down the dangerous drivers. The idea is to remove all the speed breakers from highways across India, realizing that they posed too much of danger to high-speed drivers, and the government began looking for safer alternatives. It is hoped that the 3D paintings will help to reduce road traffic accidents, as India has the highest number of road-related deaths in the world. So these speed breakers will create optical illusion from a distance so that it will slow down the speed. So guys, comment down below if you think that these 3D speed breakers will reduce the road accidents and also reduce the speed. So the next update coming in from Asus Zenfone Max Pro specification leak. It hasn't been too long since Asus announced their partnership with Flipkart, stating that the Zenfone Max Pro M1 will be available on the online shopping portal after the phone's launch on April 23rd. Instead of beating around the bush, let's start with the most impressive specification that's come to light. The Zenfone Max Pro M1 will apparently come with a whopping 5000 mAh battery. Taking other aspects into consideration, since battery size alone doesn't determine battery life, the phone should ideally last a day and a half. The phone will have a 16 megapixel camera, a dual camera, as well as 16 megapixel selfie camera in the front. Though the recent trend in smartphones is to increase the number of pixels, a 16 megapixel camera is plenty to take decent photos depending on the aperture, pixel size, and the camera sensor size. The phone seems to have up to 6 GB RAM and 64 GB storage. So they might come back with different models. So the last update coming in from Boosted's all new $750 boosted board. So Boosted's new $750 electric skateboard is dangerously viable. The electric skateboard has come in single form factor, a big 38-inch longboard that will set you back at least $1,000. Now the barrier to entry has dropped considerably with that board's new, smaller, cheaper little brother, the Boosted Mini. Most exciting of all is its price. The Mini is just costing $750, the cheapest boosted board ever made. Alright guys, so that's it from today's Tech Time. I hope you enjoyed this. If you have enjoyed it, hit that like button, and if you have not subscribed yet, click on it and make it gray. And with that being said, thank you very much for watching, and talk to you guys on the next one. Peace.